up is Specifications. Here you will add all the required specifications for your item. First, give an attractive yet relevant name to your product. Then insert the year when the item was created and the country where it was produced. Next comes a very essential part in this process, adding tags to this item. This is crucial because it will determine the chances of your item to appear in a buyer's search for items. Another noteworthy option here is Add Custom Item Specifics. It gives you the possibility to add as many types of this item as you have. For example, say you are selling different types of sun hats, some made of cotton and some made of polyester, both with different colors. Adding such varieties significantly increases buyers' interest in your product. Below, please pay attention to purchase options. Click on the info icons to see what each of these mean and choose the ones that suit you. As soon as you have carefully filled in all the information, press Next.